Welcome, Chioma.
Thank you.
Are you ready? You good?
Yes, sir.
All right, do your thing.
I'm calling his phone up just to tell him how much I really love him, 'cause he's everything I am. He sings for me, cares for me, and I truly believe God sent me an angel up from above, someone to love me for life. Even though I don't know I love him, but it's still alright. If this isn't love, tell me what it is. If this isn't love, if this isn't love, tell me what it is, 'cause I've never felt this way before. If this isn't love, L-O-V, what it means to you, L-O-V. Oh, if this isn't love, L-O-V, what it means to me, L-O-V. So if you got real love, let me see you put your hands up. See you put your hands up. So if you got real love, let me see you put your hands up. See you put your hands up. 'Cause I know I am crazy, I know that I am tripping, I know I am tripping, I know I am tripping, yeah, I know I am crazy, I know I am tripping, yeah. If this is love, if this isn't love, tell me what it is. If this isn't love, if this isn't love, tell me what it is, 'cause I never felt this way before. If this isn't love, yeah. Oh, love is a beautiful thing. I love you, and I love you.
Woo! Thank you so much.